BirchStreet Systems Capital Projects Solution, empowering you to bring transparency and accountability to all projects, renovations, and expenditures. Generate real-time status and spend analysis reports of project budgets, request for quotes, approval workflows, or other attributes, while tighter controls and detailed spend tracking save time on audits. Managing capital projects through controls, process, and procedures has never been easier. The BirchStreet Systems solution features centralized project procurement to order and receive against budgets in one centralized location with approval workflows. Real-time project reports generates tracking, budgeting, and spend reports to understand key project details. Directly manage procure-to-pay functions adds and manages document approval workflows, request for quotes, and other procure-to-pay functions within the project. Our customers realize significant cost savings and productivity gains from digitizing capital project management procurement processes, with an overall savings from compliance improvements of 7 to 10%, productivity gain from automating procurement of 10 to 30%, a compliance rate of 80%, and approval time reduced from days to just minutes. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Capital Project Solution can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.